Good day, viewer. I'm Agogo Bernard. I'm a software engineer and I stay in Surulere, Lagos. Now, as we know, the theft of mobile phones, especially the Blackberries, has spiked in recent times to the extent that it has spawned out an industry of its own. However, life is full of problems. Where people see problems, I see opportunities. So I came up with this initiative to reduce the theft of Blackberries with the perception of an old cliche that the best way of protection is prevention. So basically, the objective of this portal is to prevent the theft of Blackberries. So the big question is how, and I'll be explaining that shortly. Okay, I'll be opening the sites for my development environment here. Now it is important to know that this site is already functioning online. It's published www.tegosbbrecovery.com. Okay, and there are changes which are present there that are not present here, but the functionalities I will explain now and you'll see them live. Okay, now the first process a user needs to do to secure his BlackBerry is register. So it clicks on the register link and clicks on register new device. Okay, now all fields are required in this form. You fill your personal details. I will go Bernard, mail, my email, my address, okay, current location is Surulere, my phone number, second mom number. Now my pin is 32A. My BlackBerry type is a bold 3. Okay, my model is 9650. Okay, I use a branded bold 3 and it's branded Verizon. Okay, its color is black. Now my email number can be gotten through pressing the Alt Shift and H. Okay, and 353. Okay, my active network is MTN and to contact my phone, that's my mom's number, my brother's number. Okay, now I need to contact two of my friends, 20 A 5, and another friend of mine, 22 4. Okay, my baby status is available at the moment. Then I put a password. Now once I register, a profile is created for me. Okay, now the mail field, because I'm a local host, if you register online, a mail will have been sent to that mail. So I go back home. Sorry. Now the next step is the search. Now this is supposed to be used by intended buyers of fairly used phones to verify the pin of the phone they want to buy. Okay, now if I search my pin right now, it's going to show that it's available. I'll show register to my name. I'll show the type of phone that pin is, and the color, the email number, and how I could be reached. Okay, Now imagine my phone gets stolen. Next thing I'm going to do is log into my account. Okay, now I've logged in. I view my details and I edit it and change my status to stolen, and I update my account. Okay, now my session is still open. I log out. Okay, now I go back to the search again. I'm an intended buyer of this phone that was stolen. I search that pin. Now it's going to tell me that that pin is stolen, and the pin registered to the user, the type of the phone, the color, and its email number, and how to reach me. Okay, now I go back again. Of course, my phone is with me, so I go back and alter it back to available. Available. Okay. Now I log in again. Take for instance, I want to sell my phone to somebody. I'm going to definitely have to do a change of ownership, and I do it through here. So I fill in the name of the new person I'm selling it to and the email, and of course this takes the actual time that it's done, and I confirm that, and it noted that I have done a change of transfer or change of ownership to the new owner. So I log out. Now the idea behind this now is, if everyone registers and the phone gets stolen and the status of that phone is changed from available to stolen, an intended buyer of a fairly used phone needs to confirm that pin. If the pin is actually stolen, you shouldn't buy. Now I'm also trying to sync my database with all network operators who offer BlackBerry services: Glo, MTN, Etisalat, and Zain. Now take for example MTN. If you want to activate your BIS, you send 21600. You send BIS 21600. Now the idea I have is having a meeting with the network operators. Take for example MTN now. When a user is trying to activate his BIS, he now sends BIS is pin, for example mine 32A3627B to 21600. Now it validates through my database who owns that phone. Now if my full name has been filled on my database, for example, and definitely my MTN SIM that I use here will have been registered on MTN's database too. If the name matches, then my BIS should be activated. Now if it's a stolen user who's trying to activate, and the activation process has validated and checked that that phone doesn't belong to the right user, the message that will come to the person's phone would be, to come and rectify the problem on the nearest phone center. That way we'll be able to nab every person who bought a fairly used phone that was stolen. Okay, the site also has other features like the shop online, which is still under construction, but the idea behind it is that everyone who offers blackberry sales, either phones, fairly used phones, or accessories, would put their products on a database here so people can also buy from the site. They also have a support page here. Also have a live chat. I could chat real time for anyone having any issue related to the BlackBerry. Okay, we'll have the forum also for discussions matters related to the BlackBerry. Then have advertisements to stay under construction where people could advertise their goods and services. Then have the company. Okay, now it's important to understand that, as I said earlier, the site is functioning and there are a lot of errors that are here that are not online. This is just a development environment or shows the major functionalities of how the main site works. Okay, we also intend adding extra features to the sites on due course. Take for example announcing theft. Now this feature is actually built for unregistered users to announce theft of their mobile devices, but so far, as of now, there's no way of validating if a user is actually announcing a phone which is his, because there's no proof. Because I can copy a pin from anywhere and announce that it's stolen and it's not mine, so it's temporarily unavailable for forcing abuse until there's a proper way to validate if a user is saying the truth or not. Then this is for login details, to change your username and password to your profile. Okay, thank you. That is basically all that needs to be known at the moment. Thank you very much.